Hey, I want to play a game called Two Truths and a Life Lesson. The two biggest comments that I typically get from people when they see rope flow is it feels very intimidating because it looks like it's very complicated. The good news is you don't really have to master some of the fancy moves. I would say there are a few key basic moves that really give you the main benefit of rope flow, of that rotational movement. And once you've gotten some of those basic moves down, some of the additional moves, they do help you more with coordination and stuff, but you don't really need to get that technical. So I'll show you a few of the main ones. So the main ones would be the race and chase. So this is the overhand race and chase. So you can see I'm rounding my shoulders, moving my spine, and even if you want to engage your legs, you get more of that twist as well, more of that rotation. You can do it underhand as well. Oops. There you go. 1 second. So more of that rotation of the body. And this is a fairly simple move to pick up. You're just swinging the rope in a figure 8 in front of you. The other ones that you can pick up would be the overhand matador. 1, 2, 1, 2. Or the underhand matador. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the dragon roll is a great one for opening up your shoulders as well. So this is the dragon roll. Most people I work with, they can typically pick up the matador and the dragon's roll in about an hour to about 2 hours or so, depending on how intuitive they are with their body. But it's not too difficult. The second objection that I often get is, it looks like it's gonna hurt if I mess up, if I smack myself. But if you notice, I'm moving very slowly with the rope. Like when you go skipping, you're actually going quite a bit faster. And when the rope hits you, it's actually more like a smack. But with rope flow, because you're going so slowly, when it hits you, it's more like a flop. Like the ropes just kind of just flop on you. That's about it. So it's really not painful. And that's actually one of the reasons why I picked it up. Because when I look at all of the flow-based exercise, rotational movement exercise, like kettlebell flow, there's animal flow, you have maze flow as well. Some of them are a bit more intensive in my opinion because you're actually playing around with tools that are quite a bit heavier and there's a high propensity for injury. And I wanted to be able to pick up an exercise where I was moving, but I could keep doing it well into old age as well. So that's why I chose rope flow. So the life lesson piece is something that I personally feel as well is when I rope flow, especially in public, the train of thought that goes through my head is what if other people are thinking who the hell is that crazy guy swinging rope around? And I would say to hell with what other people think, right? As long as what you are doing is not getting in other people's way, inconveniencing others or hurting anyone, then by all means, go ahead, flow. Yes, you will mess up a few times, but odds are you are going to look cooler than they ever will be. So just have fun. As long as you're enjoying yourself, you're getting some movement in, by all means go ahead and do it. So who cares about what other people think? And I would say apply this not only to rope flow but to everything in life. Why are we all so conscious about how we look? And I find when I'm in let's say a group class, I get the kind of same feeling as well, I'm worried about how I look, how I perform. But everyone's thinking the exact same thing. Everyone is worrying about themselves and no one really cares about you. So yeah, if you're single and you're trying to impress some chicks around, then maybe you care a bit more about your looks. But I guess maybe it's also because of my mindset as a dad now. So I don't really care too much about what other people think about me. As long as I'm having fun, I'm setting a good example for my kids, then yeah, I'll go ahead and do it.